Welcome to the Yes or No English podcast channel. This channel helps you learn English in a simple way through daily usage English, story practice, and shadow speaking.
Practice daily and grow your confidence in English.
Hi, everyone. Today, we're practicing at the pizza place sentences.
Ready? Let's go.
The pizza place is near my school.
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 A big sign shows the name outside.
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 The smell of pizza is everywhere.
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 The menu has many pizza types.
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 Margarita pizza has only cheese.
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 Pepperoni pizza has small meat pieces.
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 A large pizza costs 200 rupees.
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 My favorite pizza has extra cheese.
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 The pizza maker throws the dough.
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 The round dough spins in the air.
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 Red tomato sauce is spread on top.
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 White cheese covers the entire pizza.
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 Many toppings are added after that.
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 The pizza goes into the hot oven.
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 The oven makes the cheese bubble.
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 The pizza turns golden and crispy.
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 The pizza is ready after 10 minutes.
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 A big knife cuts the pizza into slices.
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 8 slices come out of one pizza.
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 The hot pizza is placed on a plate.
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 A piece of pizza is on my 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 plate.
The cheese stretches when I pull it.
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 The first bite is very delicious.
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 The crust is crispy and crunchy.
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 The whole pizza is finished very fast.
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 Wonderful! You just practiced 25 at the pizza place sentences.
Subscribe for a new video every day.
See you next time.